I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to review your tax returns thoroughly. Ensuring accuracy before filing is crucial to avoid errors and potential issues. We will go through a step-by-step process to help you feel confident about your submission. First, collect all necessary documents, like your W-2 forms and any 1099 statements. Then, carefully check your personal details and confirm your chosen filing status. This initial check sets a strong foundation for the rest of your review. Next, let's focus on your income and deductions. It is vital to match every income figure on your return with your official statements, like your W-2 and 1099 forms. Do not miss out on any deductions you are entitled to, such as contributions to an individual retirement account or student loan interest. Also, confirm that all applicable tax credits, like the child tax credit, are accurately calculated and applied to maximize your benefits. Now, we move to the numbers themselves. Take the time to meticulously double-check every calculation on your return. Even small mathematical errors can lead to significant discrepancies. If you made estimated tax payments during the year, ensure each one is accurately recorded. Finally, carefully review the bottom line, whether it is a refund you are expecting or an amount you owe, to make sure it matches your understanding and records. For your final steps, it is a good practice to compare your current return with the one from the previous year. This can help you spot any unusual changes or omissions. Before you submit, remember to sign and date your return in all the required spots. Lastly, and this is very important, always keep a complete copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This record keeping is essential for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.